Hey, Florida business owners, this is Marisa Portuondo with Portuondo Law Firm, and I want to talk to you about the latest madness that is happening with business owners, and in this case, it is the insurance companies that are driving people nuts and that are doing things they should not be doing. Now, when this whole thing started, I had a feeling that business interruption claims were going to, take effect and be a big part of what's going on. Excuse me, I'm just making an adjustment here. And I was right. It turns out that the insurance companies, I wish I could say I was surprised, but the insurance companies are basically taking absolutely no responsibility for paying business interruption claims. Now, I'm going to explain what that means in case you aren't aware of business interruption and how it works. So this is basically coverage that a lot of businesses have in their policies, which will reimburse the business for lost revenue. And this revenue, in this case, obviously has been lost due to the pandemic. So a lot of people, who were aware of this insurance, the first thing they did was they went to their policies. First of all, do I have business interruption insurance? Yes, great. Then they called their insurance companies or their agent and they were like, hey, I have this coverage. What can I do? Am I going to get my income back? And I wish I was surprised. The insurance companies are literally telling people there's no coverage for this. There are agents who are telling, brokers and agents who are telling people do not even bother making a claim. There are insurance companies that when you call them, they have an automated answering machine, voicemail, whatever you want to call it, that's telling people, hey, if you're calling about business interruption, don't bother. We're not paying those claims. There's no coverage. And the really crazy part about this is that is completely misleading. First of all, again, I'm speaking about Florida here because I'm a Florida attorney. The insurance companies have a duty, to investigate every single claim and to adjust that claim if there's potential coverage. And they are not doing that. And second of all, right now, this is a TBD. We don't know if there's going to be coverage for these claims. And the reason is that we have never had a worldwide pandemic like this. First of all, we don't know what your language says in your policy. It really depends on the individual policy. It really depends on the individual business. But most importantly, there are laws literally being written as we speak, and some have already been written. There are ordinances being passed at the city levels, at the county levels. There are state laws being passed that say that these claims should be covered. We don't know how this is going to pan out 100%. Of course, as attorneys, we never know. But we can tell you it's certainly not as black and white as, hey, there's no coverage, we don't have to pay you. But that is exactly the stance that a lot of these insurance companies are taking. And it's just awful that they are misrepresenting things to business owners who aren't even bothering making claims. So what we're doing is we are helping business owners to review their policies for free. We're going to talk to them for free. We will let you know if you are eligible, and if we can help you, then we will do that on a contingency fee basis, which means you don't have to pay us out of pocket. Sorry about that. I was receiving a call. So if you are interested in learning more, then go ahead and I'm going to drop a link in the comments so you can schedule a call. I will probably be the one talking to you. I'm happy to review your policy and talk to you and let you know if you're eligible. But really just, do not take the insurance company's word for it. This is going to be a big, big battle. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and check your policy if you have one. Obviously, if you don't have a policy, you're not going to make a claim. But if you have a policy, go check your policy, see if you have business interruption coverage. It's not always super clear. So if you're not clear, give us a call. We will review your policy for free. We will tell you if there's anything we can do to help you. All right, everybody, take care and stay safe. And I have no idea how to